I left a hint on the title of my channel. It used to be Dobos Farms in the Garden with Renee. And if you noticed, it now says Tractor Girl at Dobos Farms. And this is the reason why. Hi everyone, I'm sitting on my brand new Kubota tractor. I'm not affiliated with Kubota, but we really needed a tractor because not only do we harvest some fruits and vegetables here at our micro farm, we also harvest trees, and a lot of trees, because we use trees in the wintertime for our fireplace, and we also have a fire pit that we use it in the summertime. And a reason why we harvest trees is because we're on 2 acres of land and we're surrounded by the forest. And the forest has a tendency to keep creeping in and creeping in and creeping in. And before you know it, it'll take over your house, right? So we have to harvest trees to kind of keep things pushed back. And also trees die and they fall and they have to be harvested and removed as well, because we don't want the fire hazard sitting in the woods. Even though it's a natural process, we want to make sure we keep things clean. And so that's the reason why we bought the Kubota, because we feel it'll be really convenient. It's helped us out a lot. And you know, we're getting a little bit older, so we're not as young and strong as we used to be. And so we're really excited. And so you're going to see the Kubota probably in future videos. It won't be in every video, but if I'm using it to demonstrate something, I will definitely, you know, have it in the video so you can see how it's being used. And right here, we're still in the process of building our chicken run, and so the Kubota's helped us with this in regards to digging trenches around the chicken run, because we got to put the weld wire underground. And then also, you know, carrying wood and lumber and things like that around to the work site so that we don't have to do it manually. So I thank everyone who watches my channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button. As a matter of fact, hit every button and share it and tell people about it, because I plan on having a lot of fun with this channel. I'm trying to do things that are a little bit unique and not what a lot of other channels are doing in regards to vegetable gardening. So I hope that keeps you interested and keeps you following along and subscribing. So thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Keep on farming.